If you haven't, got a chance to get yourself some Naked, AMC, whatever other trendy stocks that we've spoken about in the past, these are something you can educate yourself on and read and look and educate. Watch. You know what I'm saying? Check them out, read some information about them, and then the answer will be present for you.
1,000 trees. I'll make guacamole from investing in my brother. And my brother. 𝙈𝙬𝙬 I get it with my brother.
Okay. What is good, world? It is your mother-sucking boy, The Session. We here today. This glorious. What is this, Thursday? You see me out here with the drip. You're saying I look like carpet is on my shirt. You know what I mean? Equality, all right? We want some, all right? Us brown people want some, all right? With that being said, I got a special video for you today. This is the first ever dual portfolio showing. I'm going to show you my Robinhood portfolio as well as my public portfolio. For those of you who don't know, Robinhood is out here robbing people. All right, that's why they call Robinhood. All right, so I switched over to public, and I've been loving the UI. They do need a bit of enhancements and things of this nature, but I'm still loving them overall. What else we got? I know a lot of you are going to ask also before we begin about option trading. We're doing option trading on a Black-owned application called �12. I started recording a video yesterday, but then found out it takes 2 to 3 days to process, to actually put the money in. So I'm going to come back tomorrow, and if the money is in, I'll do the video for you and we'll place an option. But if not, we will wait till Monday so we can get a fresh option out there for you. All right? So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You know what I'm doing. I'm here to feed your mind, feed your body, feed your ears, feed your stomach, spirit, all of that. We're feeding people here. And today we're feeding you through finance. Let's get it. Okay. So we're on the home screen, and now we will venture off to my finance page, okay? This is the page I keep all of my financial things. You'll see the widget right here for public. Super sexy, super dope. But first, let's check our Robinhood portfolio, because that's the one people care about the most, okay? So here I have $6,314.88. Today we are down almost 1%, 57 bucks. Let's see here. We further raised the limits on opening new positions in AMC and GME. Wow, well, thank you. It's only a little too late, So here you see the options that I do have in Robinhood. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them, you'll see them on the screen. AMC, TRXC, Express, SNDL, and GTE. All of the ones with the February 19th expiration date, I'm holding. Even AMC, I'm holding that till Friday. But for any of you who are going to ask, even when you're looking at this and you're hearing me saying this, you're still going to ask me, just know I'm going to hold all of these until the expiration date. And now let's scroll down and see what positions I have here. You'll see I have 58 shares in Naked. I have one of my favorite dividend stocks, which is PSEC. Those of y'all in the Discord family, y'all know how I love them. They're fire to me. I have NEO, my baby. They've been going through something lately. You know how, I don't know if you and your girl or you and your guy, whatever y'all got, you get in a little argument and shit is funny for like a week or two when y'all act weird and walking on eggshells, but then y'all get back together and you start kissing and rubbing. Yeah, that's all we on with NEO. NEO still love us. They just acting weird. APXT did good for 1 day. Just one. And then it went back to being APXT. So what I'm also going to do is educate myself on APXT and see if I want to keep in this position. You all let me know what you think, but I think I'm going to see if I want to keep stay in this position. I'm going to see if I want to stay, because I could, if it's not a company I believe in or seen growth in or I have confidence in, I'm allowed to and I can go switch over and put the money into something I believe more in or care for more that actually has growth. Macy's, you'll see, is up to 15 bucks, 15.14. GNOG, aka LCA, they don't do anything. Like, they just don't go up. They refuse to go up. I know that their time is coming, though. That's one thing I do know, because the gambling industry, they're going to run it. It's legal, and they have DraftKings is popping, and Golden Nugget just happens to be at the forefront of this online gambling, gaming world. Okay? So eventually, 𝙎𝙬𝙬 whenever y'all are ready, I'm ready. So you can go ahead and head up whenever you're ready. I appreciate it. 𝙈𝙆𝙍, Arrowhead. Y'all know this is one of my top 3 favorite stocks that I've ever purchased and that I found on my own. It's just done nothing but go up for me. I'm going to continue to increase my position. Tilray had a hell of a week so far. Today is cooling out a bit, but I'm going to continue to increase my position there. They have some mergers coming, I believe, with Afria. CSWC, another dividend stock. SBE, y'all know about them. They're in the EV space. Fuel cell. NK, you see I increased my position in NK. I have 6 shares now. That's beautiful. Plug, Blink, Jumia, SPHD, which is a dividend stock, but I will be soon transferring that over to PEY. I'm going to keep PSEC because I love it. CSWC, I may keep it, or I may consolidate both of those and put them in PEY. So ticker symbol PEY, give that a look. And last but not least, you'll see Apple went ahead and added some position. When Robinhood was stealing from people and they sold my AMC, what I did was I placed another call, I bought some AMC, and then I purchased some Apple shares. So you'll see those here. I got this doggy coin or Dodge, whatever you want to call it, and I'm up 41 bucks. Okay, so that is my Robinhood portfolio. I'm going to now hop over to public. Okay, so now we are on public. You see the layout is fire. Again, some things I wanted to change. I would like in the front if they can have some charts. You know how Robinhood has, a chart, your 1 day, your 1 day, your 5 day, your week, so on and so forth, and we can kind of see some analytics, see some progress. That would be fire here. It says I am down almost 5% today. Your portfolio has lost $234, and your total account value is $4,470.73. Dope. And so what I'm gonna do is just kind of scroll down really quick and let you see kind of the recent activity, and I want to show you one of the key features and why I like this application. Okay, so we'll scroll down and it'll show us some recent activity. You can see what your friends are doing. Okay, you can see what your peers are doing, people you follow. You can see what moves they're making, and then you have here some of the top movers that they believe: GameStop, Canadian Goose, AMC, all of these things right here. And you can share this to different groups, text it to somebody. If you want your parents or your girlfriend or your guy friend, whoever, to get interested in stocks and investing, this is a simple way to show them, hey, look, such and such, somebody famous is doing it. Look, you can see their whole portfolio. Why don't you just get what they got? And it's a way to make it fun, make it interactive, make it lit for everybody to, make some money. And you see here, there's still more information people are posting. This guy Barron's has NEO as his actual avatar. Strategic investors are crashing in on NEO. So, and then if you scroll down here, you have a people to follow. They give you a list of all people they think you should follow. And yeah, okay. So here, I'm gonna dive into my portfolio. I wanna show you each individual stock. Okay, so first, I actually went ahead and purchased myself some of this one, AVXL. I've been reading up on it and it seemed promising. It was running up and it was on fire ever since it came out, essentially. You see on the day it is up 47.7%. I got in it a little late, so I am down maybe 17 bucks, but I do have 8 shares of this, okay? Next, we have the fantastic AMC. AMC, they're actually opening up locations around the nation, so that's dope as hell just to see people going to the movie theaters and knowing that we have invested in this company and we are partial owners technically. So $7.13 is the price of a share. I have 14 shares. I'm down almost 100 bucks because they're hoeing us, but it's okay. We're going to keep it and we're going to hold it. The reason I got shares versus multiple calls was because a call has an expiration date. And if you don't have the capital to take the expiration date out further enough, for example, they were making the prices of AMC calls. Not only were they limiting them, they were limiting the shares, the ability to make calls, and they were limiting like your expiration date. So if your expiration date was further, they're going to raise the price. They raise the price before they cut you off from buying it. And then it would be very expensive in order to get that, to place an option on it. As to with shares, I'm able to hold on to these. So if they decide to go up in 3 months or 2 months, I have shares and I can just continue to build my position and let them continue to grow, because eventually shit will go back and this will go up. To me, that's what I believe. As you see, they have the high risk because they want you to panic sell it, but we're not doing that. Next, we have SPCE, where Elon is taking these crazy ass people into space to do whatever else, even though Earth is straight and we don't even know everything that's going on here, and they're ruining it. But it's okay because we have SPCE and it is up 2.8%. Okay, let's see, we are up $1.98. Thank you, SPCE. Next, we have SNDL. A lot of you are familiar with this. You've seen on Robinhood, I have a call. I have a call with SNDL. You've seen it. Okay. I also have some shares. I have 200 shares of SNDL. I am up a whopping $3. You know, that's how we do it over here. So if you want to see what positions I'm in, I advise you to go to this application, Public. It shows you my portfolio. It may not show you my direct position, but that's what the YouTube is here for. Next, I'm in Fubo TV, but we're going to call it Fubo. It's down 1%, and I'm down $1.27. Nothing to worry about. Zoom, you see here, Zoom is a bit pricier, almost $400 a share, $3.89. As you see, it is up 1.9%, and I am up $4.74. Then you see Amazon here, which is expensive as hell, $3,326. I'm down 1.6%, and that is me losing $2.26. Nothing to worry about. So then you see that's the portfolio, but then when I go to my long-term stocks, you can break them down into sections. I have two more. I have Apple, which is $136.83. It is up 3.7%. Oh no, wait, it is up 2.2%. It tells you here, you can press this tab right here, it'll say since first purchase, and it'll tell you how much you've been up. But we're up 2%, and that is $9.67. I have 2.2 shares. And this is what I'm most proud of, is Tesla, $850. NIO is going to be just like Tesla, baby, in years, you know, in a couple years. But since my first purchase, I am up 7.2%. On the day, down 0.5. Okay, but I am up $128.45. I have 3.24 shares of Tesla. Okay, so that's it. You see the watch list and stuff like that. I do have a message group in here called the Manifestor Gang. You can feel free to join that. I love Public. You know, I think this is it. I want to show you one last thing. I want to show you one last key thing and why I believe Public is so dope or so lit. This here is an NBA player named 𝙎𝙬𝙬𝙬. I don't know if you're familiar with him. If you are, drop some comments below. Say, yeah, I know him or whatever. Google him. But he's been in the NBA for quite a while. Great player, vet, you know, every team could use a player like him. Now, to see a person of this magnitude post their portfolio, remember when we spoke about ARK Invest, they show you their actual portfolio online. You can see the plays that they make, what shares they buy. That gives you an idea. Holy shit, I should check them out too. So for those of you who are scared to get into stuff, you can check out your favorite sports player or whoever and see what they're investing in. Look what he's investing in, you know. He's an entrepreneur, an investor. He wants to make money as well. So you can scroll down, you can see his or her, or whoever you choose portfolio, and get yourself a glimpse of, okay, I'm not that scared. Let me dive in. You know, you don't have to have everything figured out. You can get in at a small position. You don't have to be having thousands of dollars. Get in increments, buy fractional shares, just don't be scared. You dig? But that's all I got for you. I hope you enjoy both of the applications. If you need Robinhood and you're interested in getting into investing, you know somebody, your coworker, your schoolmate, your whatever the hell you got, you know somebody that wants to get into Robinhood, click the link below. I have the referral or affiliate link for you right there. If you are interested in Public, if you like this app as much as I do and you want to give it a try, go ahead and click that affiliate link below. I got the referral for you. We each get a free stock. You know how we rocking. But other than that, I love you. I hope you have a fantastic, fantastic evening, day, afternoon, whatever the hell it is. I'm off to the dentist, okay? Just for a checkup because I'm out here living lit. You did. I love you. Until next time, stay awesome, stay lit, and stay healthy. You did.